Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back in another video. Today we're talking about Pokemon cards and specifically the Champions Path set that is releasing soon. Okay, so here we are on the Pokemon TCG website. It's currently September 23rd. You can see that this set releases September 25th. So I'm a Pokemon card collector and investor, and I like to share new sets, new cards that I think are potential good investments for you guys. So there's going to be one product in specific in this set that I'm going to talk about. But first, let's talk about the cards a little bit. There's around 70 cards in this set. There's a lot of the OG Pokemon, the original 150, a lot of fan favorites. And that's what you like to see when you're looking at these, because that's what collectors like. So you want those cards that people are going to be chasing. And in this set, we do have those. So there's 3 Charizards in this set. There's going to be the shiny Charizard V. This is what it looks like. Pretty dope card. There's going to be the Charizard Hyper Rare V Max, which I think is even harder to pull. So both of these are banger cards. Charizard's a fan favorite. It's one that everyone's going to want. And these cards are going to be pretty pricey. And the good thing about that, when cards are pricey and when they're hard to pull, it usually drives up the prices of the packs and the other boxes and sealed products for sale. So I think the booster packs in general, just the packs that you can open, are a good buy just because of the solid cards in this set. Also, if you're into gambling, you could open up those packs and try and pull one of these Charizards and sell that for quite a bit. However, I don't really like to open modern packs. The pull rates are not that great usually. So I usually just keep my packs sealed. But this is the item in specific that I'm looking to buy. If I see any of these on the shelves, I'm buying every single one that I see. This is the Champions Path Elite Trainer box. It's a dope looking box, black background, gold Gigantamax Charizard on the front. Looks awesome, has like 8 packs in it, some sleeves, some other stuff, and a Charizard promo, the 3rd Charizard for this set. So the Charizard promo itself will be something that is desirable, but these boxes are fire. People are really gonna want these. Easy money. So off the shelf, you're going to be able to buy these $40 to $50. If you want to, you can probably flip them for like double right away on Facebook Marketplace or whatever you want to try with that. I personally would be holding on to them long term. I think the same thing that happened with Hidden Fates is going to happen with Champions Path. Last year, a set called Hidden Fates came out. Same thing, you could buy the boxes $40 to $50 off the shelf. Boxes look dope, had a dope promo. Amazing set, and those boxes are selling for around $250 now, I believe. So I would imagine the same price action would happen with these Champions Path Elite Trainer boxes. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. I'll probably also pick up some packs if I see those. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.